Because there's 1,000 something of them.
1,076.
Yeah.
There's a workshop.
Okay, there's two of them. Oh my god, it's going.
And now we're going up.
Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. Oh my god.
Oh, stop.
I don't like this. I don't.
There's a guy. Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god. It's so way up. That's awesome.
It's a good thing you aren't next to the window, Ben. Otherwise, you'd be able to look down and see really how high we are right now.
So the cars are really on top of each other,
Yeah,
going up the arch.
yeah.
Hello.
We're on that side of the arch right now.
That's shaky, isn't it?
Yeah, a little shaky.
Geez, it wasn't as shaky when I went on.
I don't remember shaking like this when I went on either.
Weird.
Oh, crap.
Do you remember it being the shaky?
No, nothing like this.
Yeah, really?
If it shakes like this, it's fine.
Hey, Ben, just look down. See if you can even see that light that was down there.
You can see the shape on the arch, though, that beam over there going.
My ears just popped.
It's loud, that's why.
Yeah, I did.
Yours did too?
If they've ever had to rescue people from the top.
I don't know.
Ready? It's okay. Shut up.
There's some stairs.
You guys feel your ears pop?
Yeah, earlier, yeah.
Another reason for the gum.
Is it because we have gum in our mouth that we're popping?
No. That kind of helps your ears to pop back. Like if you're in an airplane, when you go up to high altitudes.
Or the stairs tower.
Mine didn't pop yet.
Mine did, they're still kind of weird because
Eddie, there's nothing wrong. There are fire extinguishers there. Why are there fire extinguishers?
Safety.
Just in case. It's for the safety, just in case this car crashes.
No, it's not.
It's parked around the
Yep.
engines are pretty old and use up very flammable form
Stop.
of oil.
Stop.
It's fine.
Go, go, go. Awesome.